Don't let your hard-earned gear crumble away. Become a master of item repair in Minecraft. The most direct way to fix your damaged items is with an anvil. You'll need two of the same item to repair one. So, if you have a damaged diamond sword, you'll need another diamond sword. Place your damaged item in the first slot of the anvil's interface, then place a pristine version of the same item in the second slot. Notice that combining them will restore durability, but it will cost you experience levels. Take the repaired item from the output slot. See, good as new, or at least, much closer to it. For a more sustainable and automatic repair system, you'll want to get your hands on the Mending Enchantment. Mending can be found on enchanted books, usually obtained through enchanting, fishing, or trading with librarian villagers. You can then apply this enchanted book to your item using an anvil, just like combining two of the same item. Once your item has the Mending Enchantment, it will automatically repair itself whenever you gain experience orbs. This means that by simply playing the game, exploring, and gathering resources, your mending gear will slowly but surely repair itself, saving you precious resources and experience points in the long run. Finally, if you have an enchanted item you no longer want, but don't want to lose the experience spent on it, A Grindstone offers a way to remove enchantments and recover some durability. It's not a full repair, but it can sometimes be useful in a pinch or to recycle unwanted enchanted gear. Master these repair methods, and your adventures in Minecraft just got a whole lot longer.